I'm looking at this currency pair, GBPJPY, the pound against the Japanese yen. I think this currency has some prospect for us to trade. Let's analyze it and see. So we have the GBPJPY. If we go to the weekly time frame for this currency pair, what do we see there? Because I always want to see the bigger picture from the weekly time frame. If you look at it on the weekly time frame, I think there should be action. I don't really. This is, you can see here, there's a solid resistance here. So somehow, to me, look at this. Now, if there's any currency pair you are looking at trading, drop it on the comment. Let's analyze it together. Well, what I see, let's look at this GBPUSD JPY. So you can see on the weekly time frame, there is a solid resistance there. This thing has not been able to break out of, and if you come to the daily time frame, let's watch what happened. What is going on the daily time frame? So if we see any trading opportunity as we are going down, you should know that we only have how many pips to target. Somewhere, if we see any trade, we'll be targeting for something nothing more than 200 pips. So if you come to the daily time frame, there is no clear information for me here. So if we go down to the 4-hour time frame, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So this is the 4-hour time frame. What do you see on the 4-hour time frame? Okay, a simple explanation of these 4 hours. I think this is what I have seen here. Kind of downtrend, and now the market is attempting to break, like it came here. If we go to 1-hour time frame, was there a solid a break of that structure? Was there a break? Let's look, because I'm considering this level, this place here. So if we go down to the 1-hour time frame, what do we see? The market came down, went up to that level, dropped again, then tried to break that level. That was not a clear breakout. It tried, it didn't break. Okay, there was a slight break of structure. So since there was a break there, I was expecting somehow that if this market had continued this way, we would have seen that maybe there's no trading setup. But for now, although at the weekly time frame, what I am seeing is just a mere consolidation, to this level, So, but we can still do something. If you take your Fibonacci retracement from here, from this level up to here, since the market is rejecting this this level, if you were to take this trade, would have taken the trade around here when it broke the 61.8. So what I will still do, if you go to 15 minutes time frame, you can see, because this is for day traders, people that want to pick trades today and maybe close before the end of the day. So if you go to the 15 minutes time frame, you can see that we have a trading setup. We can trade from this level up to here, right? So 15 minutes time frame is clearly giving us the kind of direction. So if you take your Fibonacci retracement, let me cancel this one. there was a kind of consolidation on the 15 minutes time frame around here, but finally the market broke out of here and is pointing upward. So if you are to take this trade, this is what I would want you to do from here to this level. You can place a pending order around here. You can place a buy limit. Because me, I don't like rushing to catch a trade that is already moving. I like to set my limit. If it comes there and hit me in, very good. If it doesn't, I'm still good. At least the capital is secured. We don't use our trading capital to experiment. When we place trades, we like to enter it at the right place, do the proper calculation, and watch for what will happen. So what I will do right now is place a pending order here. This one is for people, your trading account is small. I think this one you can do it. You can take this trade, because if you place your take profit, your entry point around here, stop loss will be some pips below there. But let's use our calculator to see what we can use as our stop loss. GBP US dollar. This one we will use the daily data to calculate. Okay, so we have the pound against the Japanese yen. Let's download the historical data for the past few weeks and see. So we are using the daily data on this one because we are not expecting too much pips up there. So we'll keep our risks small and take this trade. If you take your data, take it to your calculator and paste. Oh, you did not copy it well. Let me go back and get the data correct. Someone might be wondering, why do I always do this? Why do I not just set the stop loss by looking at the chart? For me, I use volatility to calculate my risk, and it has proven to be very effective. I don't know why this thing did not copy well. Let me go back and take the data again. Let me take this data. So I use volatility to calculate my entry and my stop loss and my lot size. Every single thing depends on that volatility. Okay, so we've copied it right. So you see, based on volatility for the past few days, it's around 0.36% for the past 12 days that this currency pair has been trading. So since we have a day trade in front of us, we can use that volatility. So our entry point is a buy limit. We are going to place a buy limit at let's look at this place, 186.382. This is a trade I already took. I took this trade already, but for people that are just coming, I'm trying to be safe here. 186.380. 186.380. Let me write it down. 186.380. So what I will just do, 186.380. We're taking a buy at 186.380. Now your stop loss is going to be at 185.708. While the take profit, so you should know this point, stop loss, and then take profit is going to be at 188.395. After you enter the trade, the second thing you have to do is also to manage your trades. So here, if you have only $100 in your trading account, it's not encouraging you to take this trade because you are supposed to use 0.009. At 4% is still too small unless you want to increase your risk to around 5%. Around 5% of your $100, if you'll be risking $100 on this trade, or you'll be risking $5 on this trade. and you will take 0.01. So please type these parameters down. 0.01. Stop loss is at 185.708, while take profit is 188.39. You can as well, if your account is $1,000, then you should be risking less. You should risk something like 2%, and then you can take 0.04 on this currency pair, and you will be risking $20. If your account is 500, you should be using 0.02 on that trade that I just mentioned. Okay, you should be using 0.0 on that trade. Sorry, I received a message. Let me reply. Someone is finding it difficult. Okay, so you can actually take that. So that is that with GBPJPY. Then there are other currency pairs here. If you look at so if you are trading, there is something that is called position size calculator. You know how many trades your account can afford to take. So you should not exceed that limit. Let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. So this trade, you keep your pending order around this level, your stop loss and your take profit, and watch. I've already given all those parameters. Let me type it out here. Entry point here, stop loss. Let me type the stop loss. Stop loss 185.706. 185.706. Not applicable. Why is that? Stop loss 185.706. So 185.706. You can see the stop loss is around here. Now take profit. Take profit 188.395. $88.395. So you take a long position from here. Risk reward ratio is 3. So that is the trade. All right. Thank you. I think I want your suggestions how to be keeping this live stream very short and simple, because I want people to trade as the time goes by. So this week, most of what I'll be doing is trial. I'm just testing the system to know the most effective way to be doing this, because from next week, I think it will be more efficient. So if you're here and you've not subscribed to the channel, I want you to subscribe to the channel and click the notification button. If you click the notification button, anytime that I come online, you will be notified. You don't need to know my schedule. Because sometimes I will set the time and just keep. It will send you notification, and when I come online, you will be there to join the live stream. All right. There are other pairs I'll be analyzing to trade, but I think I will drop some of them on the WhatsApp channel. So if you want to follow the WhatsApp channel, just click on the or the link provided in the description. Just click there and then it will take you to the WhatsApp, because how I manage these trades, when I close this, some of these trades might not hit take profit or stop loss. If I see certain things that have changed, I can decide to close it. So you need to follow that WhatsApp channel for you to receive updates. All right, thank you very much. If you have any question, drop it on the comment and I will sure attend to it.